Today's class, we are going to learn how to print hello and PyCharm. Okay, first of all, you should click the PyCharm icon on the bar. And you cannot find this icon, then you can use Spotlight search and type PyCharm. Then you can find the PyCharm and you can run using double click or press enter key on your keyboard. Okay, let's create new project. Press create new project and then you can see like this screen. Then if you want to make a project, you should make the Python project root directory. Press this button to make a Python project directory and go to the home directory and press new folder button, and then you can make a directory for Python project. If you can anything, but I suggest the Python practice. Oh, this name is already taken and I can add 01 and press enter key or click this create button. And the change location, Python practice 01, and you can press open button. Okay, let's create Python project. Click create button. You need wait some time. Okay, PyCharm made Python project directory. This left side is the project explorer. You can on off using this. And you can explore this PyCharm directory using right or left key. If you press right key, then you can show the contents of this directory. And let's create a Python file. You can use right click and go to new and come down to Python file and click this. And the 01 underbar hello and press enter. Then you can make this Python file. Okay, let's make the first program. Print. Print is the function that the contents in this bracket onto the console. Okay, let's single quote and type HELLO. Okay, finished. Let's learn this program. Let's go to the top run menu and go to the third of this, run ... Click this and you can show this menu, and sometimes before you made 01 hello and press enter key, then PyCharm run this Python code and you can see the hello on the console. This area is the console. Okay, thank you. Please click the like button. Thank you. Bye bye.